making practice was really hard.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Well,
And if you're a main character, it makes it quite hard.
yeah.
Yeah.
Is Betsy and stuff?
No.
And the kids here?
Yeah.
You guys down there late?
Yeah, our neighbors going home today.
My plane got run into this morning.
Yours?
Well, they're bringing people around here for church this morning.
Yep.
And Marlene backed into it. She forgot it was back there with her golf cart.
Yeah.
How bad is it?
Well, it was in the corner there, but I guess, I don't know, I haven't looked at it yet. Everybody else said, no, it's awful bad, but I don't think it's as bad as they said. I don't know. What's that? Yeah? Oh, it's a radio? Oh! Oh, it's CD and everything. Did you see, did it look very bad?
Yeah.
Best flying you
Yeah. Good morning.
Tony's down. He doesn't have a clue. Yeah.
Did it look very bad?
No, nothing that you can't fix.
Oh, did it tear a little fabric?
And then down at the aileron there's a little.
Oh, okay.
It's got like a little. Like paint it looks like the paint rubbed off or whatever it was that backed into it.
Morning. Good. I was doing better before my plane got smacked.